you how in your everyday life you can make certain choices which will impact the lives of these young children in a...
just start होने वाला.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm, a path-breaking initiative by PNG Shiksha. और हमारा जो ये celebration है, बिना हमारे PNG शिक्षा के स्कूल के बच्चों के बिना तो हम कर नहीं सकते. आप लोग excited हैं? हाँ, तैयार है आज के celebration के लिए? Great. So we've got a celebration of sorts over here because over the last 11 years, PNG Shiksha have been making all the necessary interventions and making sure that quality education is provided to underprivileged children all over the country. Over the last few months, PNG Shiksha has made interventions in various schools in Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Hyderabad, all to make a difference to the lives. कि इन जो interventions जो PNG Shiksha ने schools across the country के साथ किया है, इसका impact क्या है? How many schools have we built? How many children have we reached out to? That's what we'd like to share with you right now. Over the last 10 years, पिछले साल तक, we had built 330 schools and impacted 6 lakh children across India. ये साल वो number बढ़ गया है, which is what we are celebrating. And to make these celebrations bigger, and of course to join us in supporting the cause for PNG Shiksha, we've got two very special personalities who are celebrities, yes, but they are also very socially conscious citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, gives me great pleasure to welcome on stage, first of all, the very talented Kalki Kochlin and the very dynamic heartthrob, Mr. Anil Kapoor. Welcome, Kalki.
How are you?
Yeah, the children are very excited to meet you. Mr. Anil Kapoor, it's really a pleasure having you here. Welcome, Kalki. Really nice having you here. The children, look at the smiles on their faces. Yes. Kalki, if you can join us right here. Fantastic. First of all, thank you very much कि आप लोगों ने समय निकाला. I know you all are very busy with your schedules, but because you believe so much in a cause like this, you've taken your time to be here. So first of all, tell us about how you're feeling. यहाँ बच्चे आपके साथ हैं. Everyone's here. What is going on in your mind right now? Kalki, if we can start with you.
It's great to be back, I think, because for me, I've been involved with Shiksha in the past.
Of course.
I was last year in Delhi. And always good to bond with kids. We met some of the kids backstage as well, and it's really great to be part of this.
And it's always fun to be with kids, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And it's such a wonderful thing that PNG Shiksha is doing, which is taking education to every child in the country, even the underprivileged. Yes, Anil sir, आप कुछ बताइए.
I'm completely overwhelmed and I'm so happy and excited. I've never been so excited, and the kind of work Shiksha is doing is absolutely incredible. And of course, as Kalki said, just interacting with children just outside was so phenomenal, so fantastic. So it's always, I think I have no words to really express. I'm so happy to be here today.
And trust me, we, the children, everyone's happy that both of you are here. But we've been talking about PNG Shiksha and the impact it's had on schools and underprivileged children, making sure education reaches to everyone who deserves it. In fact, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो कुछ करना चाहते हैं. They want to contribute, they want to do something towards society, लेकिन they don't know how to go about it. And PNG Shiksha is a great platform. Yes, Kalki, if you could share with us how we can all be involved in this program.
Yeah, well, it's actually made very easy by PNG because, it's all you need to do is buy a product, and we all need, PNG products for our homes. So it's just about being conscious that this brand is going out there and using part of that money to, help underprivileged kids. I think now it's up to 450 schools this year, right, that have been built. So it's really kind of growing as an initiative, and I myself am with Olay, which is a P&G product.
Of course.
So I think it's, you know, it's a conscious sort of effort to choose the brands which are conscientious and sort of give back to society.
Anil sir, आप जब बोलते हैं तब दुनिया सुनती है.
नहीं मैं तो इनको सुन रहा हूँ, मैं इनको सुन रहा था और बिल्कुल सही कहा इन्होंने कि कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि हम लोग चैरिटी तो करते हैं, बहुत से लोग हैं जो चैरिटी करते हैं, मगर उन्हें कभी-कभी यही होता है कि जहन में हमेशा ये चलता रहता है कि ये जो हम पैसे दे रहे हैं या ये सही जगह पहुंच रहा है कि नहीं पहुंच रहा है. मगर पीएनजी के साथ ये है कि ये कंपनी जो है इतनी प्रेस्टीजियस है और इतना इनको अपनी इज्जत का इतना ख्याल है कि जो पैसे ये बोलते हैं कि करेंगे वो हमें पता है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो सही जगह पहुंचेंगे और सही लोगों के पास उसका पूरा इस्तेमाल
So you can be rest assured.
So that also I think is one of the key, and nothing better than P&G. And of course, it's a great way that sometimes you feel, just buy, P&G product, and they have so many products, and part of the money goes to charity.
So it's
matter of fact, I feel the success of P&G is because the kind of initiative they have taken.
True.
And whoever has taken this kind of initiative, I have noticed all over the world, whoever I met, it might be an individual, it might be a company, it might be an organization, they have really flourished. So जितना आप दोगे सोसाइटी को, जितना आप लोगों को, स्पेशली बच्चों को दोगे, उतना आप फलेंगे फूलेंगे.
So organizations that are brand conscious, that are conscious towards society, are also brand conscious, and they always succeed. That's what you're saying.
Absolutely.
Great. In fact, it's very simple. It's about making the right brand choice as a consumer. Okay, and very easily we can contribute towards P&G Shiksha. Great. Now, I was just sharing with our friends, till last year, okay, 10 years we celebrated last year at P&G Shiksha. We had built 330 schools and impacted 6 lakh children. That's a big number in itself. Lekin, it's been growing, and like you mentioned, Kalki, it's been growing over the years. This is the 11th year. We'd like to share with us and celebrate what is the number that we've reached this year. Okay, all these children are waiting to tell the world the impact that P&G Shiksha has had in its 11th year. So I'd like you all to join us. Aajao idhar. Haan, aajao. Yeah. Haan, yahan par aa jaiye. They want to take a picture with the kids. Aapko lena hai photo? But, haan, great. आप यहाँ पर आ जाइए. हाँ, इधर. हाँ, यहाँ पर आ जाइए. Yes. This looks like fun back to school for you all as well. Front benchers.
I was never a front bencher.
You were never a front bencher. Anil sir, were you a front bencher in school?
No, I was always a back bencher, and I was always sleeping on the going and sleeping on the back bench.
But it's just great to have this joy that we are sharing with the children of P&G Shiksha schools right here. He's very happy, he's very lucky.
राजू, बहुत सालों के बाद मिल रहा है. कहाँ है तू आजकल यार? हाँ? पक्का?
Great. So like I said, we'd like to share with everyone the impact we've had this year. So Kalki, Anil sir, if we could join us over here in unveiling the new numbers of impact that P&G Shiksha has had. बच्चों, आप लोग यहाँ पर आ जाइए. इस तरफ आइए. Kalki, I'd like you to join us up ahead while I get you. आइए.
You are one of the best director, producer, anchor as well in the industry.